Are we live? I don't know. I have no idea if I'm live. No, there you go. We're live. There we go. All right, we are live. And this morning we have a gap up. I'm not sure if we're gonna have a gap close. There is a lot of volatility, so options are expensive. We are 2 minutes from the bell. I kind of want to do a trade where it's a bounce off pre-market high. Um, it broke out pre-market high, come back down, retest, and then go for Tesla. That could also happen for SPY, but there's this big gap that could be closed. So if the gap wants to be closed, I think an entry would be possibly a fail. And for me, for this to fail, um, it could all like a fail breaking below this level for the SPY and then going down. I like to get out in threes or possibly all the way down to the 0% line, and that could be a move. This is my stop, and it could also bounce like right here where it bounces off the wick of yesterday's high. Is also a spot to get in for me. But we'll see how it reacts. Like yesterday, it was crazy, crazy action yesterday. Insane, man. Super insane. And it was the break of this going lower. See how it lines up with this pre-market. Yep. We got 1 minute. Oh, it's already open. Market already open. And I'm already here distracted. So let's see. SPY, Tesla. Tesla seems down to go down to the pre-market high, or just take off from there and I miss out. Simple as that. Yeah, it's tricky. All right, Tesla's taking off because it's taking off. Sounds good, man. You do you. I'm not gonna stop you. Buy target into a put. It has to be cheap one. It's expensive, man. Trying to get a delta below 6. So I mean, I guess the breakout for Tesla was just breaking out of this level. I think that's what the trigger was for Tesla breaking out here and just continuing. Yeah, rather than bouncing and going, they just let's just go back up. But yeah, there's nothing we can do when we miss out like that. I mean, in this situation, what's your stop? Well, all the way back down here. Like you're gonna take this hit and then plus some. So that's huge risk. Right now it's just 1-1 basically in my eyes. It's just a 1-1. Would have been just a 1-1. And for it to be at least 2-3, you have to go, um, you know, from here. You have to do this move and then possibly to 9%. But I don't know if it's gonna do it. Yeah, because the risk is too high. This was the risk for me. And it is. And for me, that's too much. All right, coming back down to maybe retest. Yeah. Oh, but we also got two wicks, which is bullish for me. For me, that's bullish. I mean, bearish. So, but we are doing the retest, so let's try it out. Let's go to Tesla. See, now it didn't get let me touch. Yeah, missed the opportunity. All right, so you gotta pay attention. Um, come on. I went in with three contracts because FOMO. Let's see. I would have gotten out one right here, the other one right here. It's ready to go higher. Three contracts, kind of expensive. You get out of one, you know, losing. Let's see if we can go higher. A little talking is affecting my strategy. Yeah, it's failing to go higher. To me, it looks bearish. We are down $23 in a day. All right. To me, this looks like a fail. All right, I'm in three contracts to the downside. To me, all these wicks are a fail. So that's my stop out. Take profit. It's gonna be 1, 2 here, one right there. That's my first one. Second one. So I missed out one. My second one. And now my third one right there. Still holding. Yeah, below here it will be very bearish because it's a consolidation area, and this is the bottom of it. It breaks below, very bearish. I just need to hold on to it. SPY's already wrecking down. I didn't develop an entry for that. More so like going below here. So let's see if Tesla gives us another $3 move down. There we go. That looks like a bounce. We sell some here. Because we're like in a point where, okay, it could break that and go lower, or it could just bounce. That's also a perfect bounce area. But if it doesn't respect it, then yeah, we can see definitely huge move down. Are there buyers or sellers in that area? That's what I want to know. And I'm gonna carry my stop, kind of like mental trail stop right here. So 44.64, I'm out. Hopefully continues lower. But yeah, look, it looks kind of, there's buyers there. There's definitely buyers that step in. Hopefully sellers step in and crash that level. Now SPY is resisting the previous support. All right, break, break, break. Come on, there you go. It's stabbing at it. That's it. It's stabbing at 242.97, 242.93. Yeah, we didn't see a big sell off right now. I just have one contract. If it breaks here, then to me, there we go. Let's see, we close. That's what I want to see. Okay, we close below, but not strong. Hmm. I got out. I could retest an answer here. If I want to. Just have a 7-second delay if anybody's watching. I doubt it. If anybody's watching. All right, we're only up $6 in a day. Wow. That was the $6 in a day. Let's go. All right, we're getting some choppiness. I got back in for no reason. I should just, I'll stop out ASAP if I see something not right. The reason I got in was just, okay, it's not breaking higher than this. It's holding here. Caught in the range, retested. So we go lower. Um, break, one, two, three. That'll be nice. So if this was my entry, my exit is gonna be one, two, three, like around here. But I could also hold it for another three, one, two, three, maybe here. Or if I see momentum, like yeah, back to the 0% line, close the gap. If we can close the gap, even better. I would love that. I would really love that. I bought an option that's very low delta for 0.0445. That's my delta, which is absolutely terrible. But managing risk, that's my job to manage risk. Volume's not really stepping in, man. It's really not there. Hopefully, people are able to see, the traders see what I see, go with that. Buys looking weak. They close below. Well, pre-market high is technically this right here. That would have been pre-market high, and then you bounce off of that. This is not pre-market high. This is a breakout of pre-market level. All right, so stop out of Tesla. Lost $4, $5. It's fine. I mean, it's retesting that level, which I didn't get in at. Um, I could get in again, but um, I got stopped out again. I got weak hands. All right, I got in again. It's selling, but it's also not selling off, which is to me nerve wracking. Yeah, the pattern is developing, not necessarily like bearish. It's more like noisy. My buying power has gone down, so I should not waste more. I'm gonna take a hit right here. Yeah, I took a hit. Down 8. Wow. Tough. Maybe we should zoom in. Let's zoom in. Get rid of these things. I didn't know you can move them. What the heck? What? This is new to me. I don't know you could do that. It's good to know, man. I could do that. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna line up pivots, and then that should give me something. Let's zoom in to this one as well. Yes, no rectangle. It failed to go lower, so it's just gonna um, then go the other way. It's like, oh, you don't want me here, then I'll go that way. You Now it's gonna break pre-market. It didn't break pre-market high. It was a level that it broke. The pre-market took advantage of it. The pre-market took advantage of this level. It go higher, right? Capture that. One, two, three, four, five. Move. $5 move. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna form another pivot here. We're gonna go pivot, 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 pivot. So possibly something like this. Form another pivot down here. Let's see what we get. It might go either way. Alright, where's the min? Ton. Very done. That's what I meant to use. Still getting used to discovering new buttons and shit. Methods. You can't do that with the circle though. You could do that with, yeah, but oh yeah, you could do it with the circle too. Look, oh, 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 that's cool, nice. Yeah, good. Yeah. Okay, going down. Where's the fake out? Oh, can't go lower than that. Looks like you are. Okay. All right. All right. Is that your pivot? Two candle pivot. Or should we remove it? Because below here, it's very slow of me to react, honestly. Not a setup I recognize. I mean, yeah, maybe I could have done this, right? Maybe. But then that means I could also do this. Like, oh, you know? And this is gonna be like a small type of move. This was just a one, two, $3 move, which is three, $4 move. To me, it's not, you know, I mean, it could go lower to 0% line. Possibility. Right now, it looks like it's testing this. It's kind of failing. So, let's trade it. Let's see what happens. And it's not working. Hmm. It's breaking easily. Yeah, we should have massive sellers there, but we're not. So to me, that is just noisy. Just noise. We're down $18. 20. God damn. Buying power 648. Mm. My account is just going down and down. It's at 1,300 right now. very poopy. I guess we could do something stupid like this. Yeah, I'm just drawing stupid lines. Look at me. I mean, it's kind of working, these stupid lines. Like breaks it, goes up. Here breaks it, goes down. Here break all time high. I don't think it's in the mood to go higher. Maybe 0% line. Uh, Spy is barely moving. It's just sideways mostly. Alright, Spy moves close above there. Yeah, let's take a trade on Spy. Go with the call. Let's see what it gives us. Let's see, this is probably my last trade. For Spy, I think my moves are different. I don't even know where I wrote them down. Damn it. It's already failing. Forgot where I wrote it, man. Yeah, that end calls. Time to stop out. No? Yeah, I just do a calculation. $3. Yeah. Can Spy break above this level? That would be great. It looks like it's just resisting. Reopen. Tesla might break higher. Higher. I think yesterday was just such a crazy day that Nah, I'm not gonna move it today. I'm good. The spread is actually pretty bad. 67.73. I guess that's my mistake for buy. I should probably use something like today. Well, they don't have anything today. Come on, dude. I should be making something at this point. It's breaking above it. A very nice spot to break, unless it fails it. Tesla broke it. Look at this. Tesla broke this. Breaks this now. Makes me go higher. So we got this level and this level to break. I want this to break and then maybe touch that. And my options have not moved a bit at all. What is going on, bro? I bought these at 74. Oh my god. Way overpaid for these options. Oh my god. I overpaid for these so much. That's terrible. I don't know if I'm gonna get filled, but I'm just trying to get out of this position. This is terrible, man. Just terrible. You gotta get out at 76. No, not even there, man. That sucks. This is just bad. Yeah, it's pretty terrible. I mean, this area to reject too much resistance. There's sellers there. I'm just trying to get out. Doesn't even want to take anything, man. This is sad. This is just bad, bad trade, bro. What the fuck, dude? Just terrible trade overall. So disappointing, man. Jesus. He wants me to sell at 67? Fuck, you're crazy, bro. God. This is the bad thing. Options is crazy because you gotta choose the right freaking one. Right dates, right distance. So, let's see. Will you take my freaking 76, bro? Come on. Take it, bro. Take 75. No? Take 72. No? Yeah. You want what? 68. $1 more. Wow. Man, fuck you. I mean, it's not reversing either. It is pre-market high bounce. I just don't like the the price I bought it at. It was just terrible. right now it's just trapped in the no-go zone. Like it's not gonna go higher or lower, or it's trapped. Like if it breaks above or below, whichever one it closes, I'm gonna go with that. And I'm gonna change my date to like zero. So I'm gonna close it quick, take a loss, so, and then switch quickly to a zero DP if that's available. Yeah, that's available. Zero DPs. I don't know why it's not showing it on this one. We are April 8th. Come on, take my money, bro. You want it for 71? Fuck you. It's working out, bro. So got out of my position. I just don't like the slowness of it. And then plus it got really terrible options. Now it's moving in my favor. Fuck you. I don't think I'm ever gonna buy that. I'm taking to me, it's neither up or down. Me hold this 523.15 level. Alright, it's breaking below it. Cool. If it holds, it closes below it. Might get a chance to close below the other level above, right above 522. Getting below 522 is really great because now it's, I mean, proof that it's bearish. We're gapped up, so gap up continues. From the entry, we're barely $2 from it, and my contract would have not made anything. I Yeah, broke even with that one, and yeah, it tends to move without me. Tesla, one, two, three. It does give that $3 move that I want, and it's going out to the next level. Prism could go higher. A re-entry, I don't know. Where would I choose a re-entry? It did take a while. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. But with the options that I would have gotten, I mean, I'm only allowed to get certain types of options. I would have not. Um, I mean, it's not. That's not the point. The point is not to make the money. It's more to make the right decisions. That's what it comes down to. Where did I write that down? I know. Alright, put an alert below this. Put ready. Yeah, need to wait for that to close below, bro. Close below. Close below, man. Come on. You know you don't want to go up. You failed. You failed to go higher. Now you must pay the price. Go lower. Great. Now I'm down $12. Awesome. The fuck? I'm sending an alert from that thing. Barely getting it on my phone. Oosh. Alright, if I were to get in there, what's my stop? That's something I gotta decide from the beginning. What's my stop? Well, if it closes above this level, it's my stop, you know? That's my stop. Let's see. It's about to close the candle. Am I gonna stop out? Call it a day because it's fucking supposed to know. Which is kind of bad because now it's got a bunch of room, the time to close above, which is, and it's doing so right now. Now we're down 40 on the day. Jesus, my goodness, bro. Not a good day to trade, though, to be honest. Down $44, 42. That's terrible. That's more than my max. Just a lousy day to be trading. Um, yeah, it's gapped up. It's not. Yeah, it's a terrible day to be trading. Getting caught in all these crazy moves. Not respecting levels much. In the morning, yeah, I guess you can say reject this and lower. But I also got distracted thinking that I'm gonna find a little cheat code. How do I put it? Yeah, that's fucking down $42. Ah, I don't know. We're gonna get another move. Sure, it's failing to go higher. You know, like it's failing to go higher. It's struggling, spiders, double top. You can say. If it's a double top, one, two, three, four. Yeah, now it's definitely below this level. We go short, breaks above the solidness of the candle. I go long. Okay, there it is. Ah, yeah, that's more confusing, but it's something. 1.2, 2.4, 3.6, 2%, 4%. 4% is, we're right at 4%. SPY doesn't really do 4%. So for me, I'm looking for reversal, man. I see a double top, triple top, whatever you want to call it. But for me, it's it's gotta go down. To me, SPY has to go down, bro. And it's got this little channel, this little rectangle area. Yeah, I gotta see it. I gotta see it fail. This whole freaking rectangle area is just a block of nothing. Higher, go for it. You go higher. I'm not chasing. Lower, okay. We might have some room down. Tesla might have some room down. I don't know. Gotta make up some lines. Tesla failing to go higher here. I think Tesla has more potential just in general. I'm gonna go with the call put. Tesla breaks this level, closes below, closes below here. I don't want to chase higher. I just don't. Apple 246 3.5 and 5. Look, it continues to fail. Yeah, 40. Yeah, 40. 40. I don't mind taking 5 at this top. Because if it's going to take me out, it's going to take me out. Take me out, motherfucker. Go for it. Ooh, let's see what you do. Let's see what you do with me, huh? One contract. Let's see what you do with that. Let's see. Can you go higher? Absolutely, you can. Should you? I don't think you should. Let's see where you close. Let's see where you close. You fail. Oof. I hope you fail. Well, touch that 4%. There you go. Touch the 4%. Tesla breaking out. Let's see if we fail. Let's see. Let's see. We're failing. We're failing. We got 10 seconds for this candle to close below and fail, fail. Five, four, three, two, one. We are losing. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Broke out of that range. I just don't want to see it go higher. It could go higher. Yes, it can. Absolutely. Will it? I don't know. It could fail still. Still holding. Kind of dumb to hold the volume. Could be a fake out, man. It could be a fake out. Totally. Until we engulf this candle. We engulf this candle. Oh, golden. Golden, golden, golden. There's a pattern where it closes halfway. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's pretty bearish. Well, we did close above. Hmm. Yeah, we're getting volatility now. We're getting some volume. Um, yeah, we're getting volume. We gotta see it fail. I got a contract that's a little bigger than what I should be getting in. Delta, 12 delta, down already 10, down 7, it's just fluctuating. See, it's failing to go higher. It's at the 4% mark, which is something I wanted to see. It's something I tend to trade on as a bounce. Going higher is just crazy. It's just like, what? Why? You know? So, and that's my stop above this, which it touched it already, right? We're doing SPY, so it's you get out at every 1.2, 1.2, $3 move would be nice. Back to VWAP. Let's go. Back to VWAP. 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 To VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back. Back. Back to VWAP. Back. Back. Back to VWAP. Back to VWAP. Back to VWAP. Oh no. Come on, goes back to VWAP. Nobody's watching. Come on. Nobody's watching except myself. This is me just documenting my losses. All right, yeah, this thing is going higher. Okay, I think I should stop now. Stop out now. Yeah, yeah. Let's get out. Yeah, let's get out. Oh, was that the top? Down to be the top, bro. God, down 51. Let's see if we can get Spy to go lower, man. Come on. Come on. Double top. Oh man. Painful. So painful, bro. What delta was that, bro? Look at that. Damn. I'm dumb. Delta 34. Oh shit, I'm crazy. Got in at a delta of 20, 34, which is insane. Something I should not do ever again. But if we get a $3 move, that's almost $100. Let's see if we can get $100. Let's get 100, 100. Come on. Give me 100. Give me 100. Give me 100. 100, 100, 100. Ooh, Tesla breaks this. Oh, shit. We're going down. Go Tesla. Go Tesla. Go Spy. Go Spy. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Got in here. Hopefully goes down more. Yeah, I don't want to touch this thing. Come on. Can I wait 2 minutes? Can I wait? Can I wait 5 minutes? That's what I need to learn to do. Wait 5 minutes. Waiting is the hardest part. It's crazy. In the meantime, I don't want to get distracted. Come on. Give me 100. Give me 100. Give me 100. Give me 100. Yeah, I don't like the way it's moving. 59, 70. Oof. Yeah, not good. Not good. Not good. Not good at all, bro. Go. Sellers, step in and sell. Buyers, step away. Buyers, get away. Buyers, it's not your place. It's not a place to buy. Trust me, bro. It's not a place to buy. I mean, kind of. Kind of is. But, yo, we already closed below. Nobody's trying to buy it up. We're already way up, bro. You could go higher. The market could do anything it wants. That's true. But it's in your best interest to let it rest. At least $3 fucking dollars, though. All right, we're seeing Tesla still struggling with that level. If we see a break, watch Spy tank. Crazy, bro. I swear, if Tesla breaks below, ooh. Tesla and Spy right now are just kind of like swinging together. Tesla gets the green candle, Spy gets the green candle, vice versa. Ooh, I think I'm ready to stop out. Yeah, pretty soon, pretty soon. Break even. Oh man, yeah, this is tough. Oh, this is. I haven't even waited 5 minutes. I'm 33 minutes in, feeling nauseous. Don't like it. Don't like it. Oh man, no. Man, Tesla just wants to go higher. Then okay, I guess get out. Get out. Oh man, it is. topping me out, bro. I think I'm very bearish. I also don't want to be bullish towards these levels. Like, I just don't want to. There we go. Tesla. Break it. Come on. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Oops. Fire stepping in. Oh man. Wow. Okay. Buyer's market. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what Tesla wants to do. I'm not gonna be mad because this is. Hey, I'm willing to risk $30 to make 100. I'm willing to risk money to make money. Let's see if we get a candle below this trend line on Tesla. If we do, we might get $3 move. One more. Back to VWAP. Let's go. There we go. Let's see if SPY follows. Come on, SPY. Follow, follow, follow. We got Tesla. Hopefully closing below the trend line. And then it's gonna open another one and retest the trend line and then go lower. Maybe. Hopefully. All right, we're about to close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next candle. Can we go lower? First, gotta retest the high. Gotta build confusion. Build confusion. Build confusion. Make people confused. All right, SPY is now not responding to Tesla's technicals. Okay, what's going on here? Was Tesla the move? Yes, it was. Look at it break really well. Look at SPY not respond. What an asshole. SPY's being an asshole. Tesla's following technical analysis. Tesla's moving the way I like it to move. Almost $2 already. But I didn't buy Tesla. I stayed in SPY. And SPY is lagging like a motherfucker. SPY is taking its sweet fucking time. SPY needs to go lower. Way lower. $2 more. Come on. SPY. SPY. Come on. SPY. SPY. Come on, man. Come on. Back to VWalk, bro. Come on. I think I'm just gonna get $2 from SPY. I don't know. Well, now we're kind of right. Now we're kind of right. Um, come on, SPY. Hit 521. 521, bro. Come on. 521. 521. You're just $1 away. 521, bro. Come on. Come on. I feel like getting out, honestly. I'm getting out. I got out. Oh, terrible fill. 283. I bought a 250. Only made $30. $35 off of that. Yesterday I lost a bunch of dollars. Was it yesterday? Yesterday I lost money, yes. But on Friday, oh man, it's, Friday I lost 150. Yeah, damn. 50, damn. Oh, man, that took forever, man. It's terrible. I mean, you could get in and wait and wait and wait. I hate waiting, but sometimes you just gotta wait out. It doesn't hurt to wait, but it also does that trail stop. We're all the way up here. It's good to dream. Like I think we humans love to see. Oh, look, it's all the way up. It's tired of going up. It's time for it to go. down. And then the thing is, it's up for a reason. It's got strength. This failed, yeah, to go higher, but also failed to go continue lower. It just failed to continue lower, which is gonna stay higher, which is just gonna chop around sideways until maybe a better level or pattern. But that was a big contract. Look, it's retesting the trend line. Today, maybe it's better for me to just step away, go work, remove it. I think I'm ready to stop the stream. Let's see. Hello, hello. Yeah, I can hear me. Desktop audio, mic. Yeah, I can hear you. Let's see. Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, three. All right, it works. I should try to connect the other display. I don't know. Can I? Try to? Oh, there we go. Um, is it vertically? No. All right. This is me. And this is in my little garage. Put that way down there. This right here. Trading with a rope. How about that, huh? Shit. Got that set up. I don't know what Spy's doing, bro. Oh, Tesla fading to go higher. Tesla fading to go higher for sure. Can we trade it? Should we trade it? That's the question. Answer, probably not. Where's my stop? My stop would be all the way up here. Or here. Or here. I like here. I like this to be my stop right here. I want that to be my stop. And let's see if um we get going lower. Can we get that kind of move? Very. Oh my god. Jesus. What do I do here now? There you go. There you go. Move. That's what I want to see. Let's go. We're probably gonna get the first one to the VWAP, and then we can stop out. Delta for this one is 15. So I'm only probably gonna make 45. It moves $3 in my favor. Um, let's get out of here. I got weak hands, bro. I don't like the VWAP standing in the way. So what I lost, I also won. See, VWAP is acting like a bounce. There you go, spy. Look at spy making that move. It took it a while. Wow, a long while. Let's go. Tesla crashing. Go Tesla. Go, go, go lower. Go, go. I mean, I don't have money in it. But the brakes fine, and for the brakes VWAP, then you can definitely see it go lower. There you go. Look at it. Yep. I was gonna take a trade right now, but I'm too slow. Too slow to jump on it. Now, honestly, for me, the entry would have been right here, this little area right there. A re-entry, I guess you can say, because it was basically this right here. Change that to like white. It work. Retest VWAP, go down further, maybe. What I tell you guys, the master at predicting, but not at holding. Like I kind of know how what's gonna happen, but I don't know how it's gonna happen. Not knowing how it's gonna happen psychs me out of positions. tend to get changed. Look at it. Lower. Oh, if this goes back to 0% line, oh my god, I'll be so pissed. We got plenty of time for that. Even the volume is increasing on the way down. Like during this consolidation, volume went down. Volume is surging with moves down. Should have kept my position. My weakness is seeing any candle against my, like for example here, that would have stopped me out. I'd have been mad. I'd been like, man, I should have sold at BWA, blah 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 blah. But I forget this shit happens. Like if I had three contracts. Okay, get in here, sell here, one, hold. Now we'll sell the other one. One, two, three, right here. So these rectangles are not correct. This is more like uh, here, like that. Yeah, that's more accurate. But there's like a lot of conflicting thoughts in my head. Like, oh, it's not, it's not doing what you wanted it to do. It's pulling back. It's already high. It's already got strength. Why you fading it? So many conflicting thoughts ruin my decision to make a trade. Right now, I feel like doing an impulsive trade, and I did it. I did the impulsive trade. Let's see if I get punished. But hey, I'm here for it. Let's see what happens. I only got in with one contract, which is dumb for me. Oh, I think it's 5 gold. Huh. I like Tesla's little wicks right here. Oh, no way. Wow. Thought I was gonna walk away with the profit right there. Look at Spy go, man. Wow. That's a slow move, but it's moving. Failed to go higher. That's the entry. I got spooked out there. Oh, triple top, bro. This boom, boom, boom. Now look at Spy go. Wow. Oh, look at it go, man. Don't trade. Mm-mm. Don't trade. Trading will ruin your life if you let it. Tesla approaching second TP. Obviously, I'm not in it. I, for lack of a better term, bitched out. Technically say it hit already. Hmm. If you want to make some progress, take some notes. Journal. All right, today, choppy day. Very choppy day. Huh, 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 huh. I struggled to know my spy TPs. I failed. I learned that holding three contracts may be easier, longer ranges. One contract has me get out at first TP, which is good discipline, right? Tesla missed the spot. If I were short, I was short here. If I were too short, I was short here. That was a 13 market. I really like that area. I mean, retest. To me, that's a retest. And I'm ready to stop out. Oh, definitely right. Yeah, get the fuck out of there. Yeah, that was dumb. That's me. Lost $11 there. Yeah, yeah, very dumb. Oh, that was impulsive. That was impulsive. Okay, learn. I make a lot more impulsive trades after a miss out. So when I miss out, I want to compensate by taking another trade and making it up, and, which is terrible, 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 terrible practice. It's absolutely horrendous. Like if you're gonna hold through all that, you like let's say you get in the making me want to trade again. If I get in there, I have to be willing to hold through crazy moves because from your entry to your target, it's very unpredictable. The movements are more erratic, spontaneous, impulsive, slow, fast, just everywhere. So how it's gonna get to your destination, you don't know. So getting inside, getting in the middle, getting in the middle is very frustrating. The end, getting in early at the right spot is easier because like okay, I know this is a good spot with good risk reward, and you can hold through the noise. But you get in the middle, you're getting in the noise, and in the noise you don't have like a standard of like where to really like know where you're wrong or know where you're right. If you're still right or still wrong. But VWAP I think is a good spot. Um, um, it takes time. Sometimes it fakes you out. It looks like that's what it did to me right now. Faked me out that it was going to go above VWAP. It just stabbed the VWAP, spooked above it a couple times, and it looks like it's coming down now. Yeah, I feel like I should learn to do day trades where I just set it, walk away, come back when I get an alert saying that I'm either right or wrong. Thing is, the alert system on my phone, TOS, lags, so I'll get the news or the alert like even a minute after, which is it seems like there are a couple of like maybe more than 10 seconds for sure after it triggers on my phone. But desktop is quick. And we're pretty far from 0%. Look at that. That is totally unrelated to this. Playing around too much. Let's go Tesla to the floor. Wow. Yeah. Missing out. Of course I'm missing out, dude. Think it doesn't hurt? Fucking hurts a lot. Hurts a lot, bro. And this is my daily life. Missing out, missing out, missing out, missing out, missing out. That I go through this every single day. Miss out after miss out after miss out. All because I'm not willing to wait. I have to be willing to wait. Impatience is a disease that prevents wealth. Just like any other disease can ruin your joy, impatience ruins your joy in trading, your gains. It just hurts all over around. The messy middle, dude. That's the messy middle. Getting in the right spot to avoid the messy middle. Or trying to like find an entry in the messy middle. Messy middle. Messy middle. Messy middle. Middle. Messy middle. Messy middle. Messy middle. Messy middle. Messy middle. Yeah, messy middle exists. time moves the market, not I can't force the market to move. It's a time thing. Right now, the reason the market's going little tiny pop is because you got this three bottom wicks, which shows buying in that area. Will it prove to be right? Who knows? It might fail. This candle might fail. Where? It's tricky. I mean, you can kind of see maybe a spot where it can fail, like below this right here. What do we got? Like if it stays below here, it might continue lower, but if it breaks above it, let's go. But it's the messy middle, man. I don't want to mess with the messy middle. It's deceitful. Messy middle is deceitful. Look at that. If I would have got in there, I would have gotten spooked out. Do I want to go long here? No, I don't. I don't. I really don't. Should you? I mean, well, it depends on the technicals. Oh, for instance, here in this case, the technicals are this, and I think that's why it's popping off. Let's try this one. Technicals are this, probably why popping off again. Just pointing out some things, man. But if I was in from the beginning, I should, I still need to hold. Because right now we might end up with a reverse head and shoulders. It looks like what's forming is a reverse head and shoulders. Which is a bullish pattern. Na, 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 The same shit. Um, percent max divided by 3. Apple percent max is 5. Apple's percent max. No, it's not. Stock cost. Apple's. How much is Apple stock? 184 equals 5 divided by 2. Percent. Um, 5%. Take profit interval. That's going to equal this times this. Every $3? Really? Oh, three. 5 is the max. 3.5. Percent max. Average percent. 2.4. I have 2. Which is close. Didn't matter much. The right decision to do now, since I am maxed out in losses for the day, I passed it. I am to walk away and never to return. No, no, but just walk away, start doing Uber, work for Uber, got my Uber vest, all the important, the essentials. Can't zip a zipper. What the fuck? Oh shit! It almost broke. Boom, boom. She for no reason. Let's wear glasses for no reason. Indoors, exactly. Makes no sense. Make it make sense. Color day? No. Oh. BWAP. Entry. BWAP as an entry, not too bad. I guess just waiting is the hard part. Just standing still, patient, minute by minute, just standing here. Because I do have ADD. Maybe I need to get high and trade, smoke my marijuana. Maybe tomorrow I'll try it. Today, 8:35 already. I want to do my taxes. I want to do my taxes. I got the name of the place. 14,000 refund. God damn. That's the one I go to. No, I know it's by the airport. Kind of. Yeah, it's time to get out of here,